Hello everyone, my name is Sai Samarth. I introduce you to a new web application that we have created, Expora, which stands for Export Corpora. So Expora is a web interface which helps you to connect your database, which can have maximum two tables. So you just have to choose the data to extract from these tables and export that data in various output formats such as HTML, FreeCloud, Lexico, etc. And also we can use text visualizations on the data exported. Expora is made as generic as possible. Database can be stored in PostgreSQL or MySQL database management system. Now let's begin on how to use Expora. I will log out from the current session and start from the basics. So let's create a new ID. Say the name would be guest123 and the password would be password and again typing the same password. Now, authentication key is very important. It is a key which is needed to sign up on Explorer. Without this key, the user cannot create his ID and hence cannot use the database. The current authentication key is Explorer, so let's just type that. Sign up. Awesome. So now we are in. Here you can see various panels on the first page which has the information about how to use Explorer. Let's just directly go to the extract subcorpus and begin with extracting the data. And wait, we have an option for the language. We can choose French or English, but currently I like to work with English language. So yeah, here you can see the text fields from the two tables. We select some, let's say this and this. We press next. Now we have to choose the metadata, that is the extra information about the text data like date of creation or time of creation, etc. So let's choose this, this and this. Press next. Now we go to the filters. Filters are actually interesting. Filters are used to filter the data we extract as the way we want. It's similar to the where clause of SQL language. We have a lot of filters. Let's choose intervals and set intervals on ID of petitions, say from 2 to 20. Now, if you want to add another filter, click on this, choose and or depending on what you want. So I'm gonna choose or. Now let's choose auto filters now, greater than 9000. And yeah, here you see you have to select the field first. So we select ID of editions. Now again greater than 9000. So also we can edit the filter in the text box if we need to change something. So let's say we make this one instead of 2. Yeah, that's done. Now let's go further. Sorting. So we can sort the data using any column in ascending or descending order. Let's choose this and choose descending order. So now comes the pre-treatments. We have all lowercase, so the data would be in lowercase letters. Replacement of smileys, so we can replace the smileys with some specific names which can be further used for research purposes. We have find and replace from a file. So the file is actually of CSV format. I'm going to show you the file. Here we go. So the first column would contain the word to find and the next column would contain the word that replaces that word. So let's move further. We have the output formats. We choose whichever output formats we want. Let's choose Lexico, HTML and text observer. Yeah, we can share this query with other people on Explorer working with the same database, and also you can add it to your favorites. We can also name this query for future references. Let's name it my query. Let's try to export now. So here we see the data is extracted now, files are automatically downloaded, and we have the output on the screen. We have the facility of text visualizations here. First, let's just check the output files. Here you can see the data in various output formats. This is lexical, this is text observer, and this is HTML. Good enough, right? This was Explorer. For developers, the code for this can be found on GitHub. It's nicely commented. You can also explore it and use this software for many purposes. For further queries, the contact information is given in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you liked it.